Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and I will just show you guys a little trick that Microsoft itself has today mentioned if you want to update to Windows 11 on a unsupported system. And this to happen, you will need to use the installation assistant or use the image and upgrade your Windows 10 system from there. It's not going to give you Windows Update Windows 11. You have to go to the Windows 11 download page. There you can actually upgrade with the assistant. So this is how you're going to go after you do this little trick that Microsoft has said today. So you have an unsupported computer. You want to go to Windows 11. Here's how it's going to be done. Let me warn you that I don't think that should be done because it actually creates a interesting side to the story where Microsoft does say you might not have updates or support of anything. So if you do this, it's for fun. It's for a computer that you maybe have lying around and you want to just, have fun trying Windows 11 on it and upgrade. I would never use that, and I would never do that on any main PC that you're using every day, because you never know the future of what's going to happen with it. But if you do want to play and dabble, Microsoft's way of doing it is simply to go into the registry. So you'll type regedit and search for registry editor. Once you're in the registry editor, you will go and open the key H key local machine. Once that is done, you're going to open the key system. You will then open the key setup, and you will click on Mo Setup right here. So once you're there, you'll see on the right side that there are things. What you want to do is right click, create a new D word, and you're going to name it Allow Upgrades with Unsupported TPM or CPU. And note how I've written this. It actually is with some uppercase letters. So uppercase A for allow, uppercase U for upgrades, uppercase W with, uppercase unsupported U, uppercase TPM O, small r, and then uppercase CPU. And here you will want to give it a value. So what you want to do is make sure that the value data is 1. And you click OK. And here you go. In the Mo setup, you will have a key that will say allow upgrades with unsupported TPM or CPU. Give it the value of 1. Once that is done, you will go to the Microsoft website for downloading Windows 11. I'll post the link in the description below the video. And if you use the assistant to upgrade, it will actually upgrade your unsupported computer. But it will give you a really big warning. And it's going to actually tell you and ask you, do you understand that you're upgrading your system and that it might not get support, might not get security updates, and that it might not work well? And you have to agree to those terms, that you understand fully that you're taking your own, it's at your own risk, and that's what you do. And when that is done, it's going to upgrade to Windows 11 on pretty much any hardware, as long as it's a dual core 64-bit supported hardware. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up, and the link to the download and the assistant is in the description below this video.